This is a cool way to start off the trip. Just north of the road. Probably about, well, there's got to be at least 200 elk in that field. Wind is blowing. Anyway, we're going to carry on here. Keep looking, do a little scouting for tonight. And start it tomorrow morning, so check things out. Alright, well here we are, morning number 1. It is 6:15, ready to rock and roll. A little bit of an oopsie here this morning with the alarm. For some reason it went off an hour earlier, which was good. So changing plans this morning here. Gonna go for a drive, go to check some of the territory out, and then when we're done driving, we're gonna go walk some coulees. So here we go. Good luck. Okay, well, didn't quite get the first one on camera, but here we are, down in the bottom of a coulee. Came up from all the way over there. And here she be, first out of the trip. She was coming towards me, probably about 125 yards, and I got her right in the chest, so dropped right there. Now, it's simply a matter of taking this thing here and getting it up there. Frick. Okay, well, I'll let you know. Alright, so she's all cleaned up now. Now it's a matter, we have a tag on her there too. There we go. Okay, so the buck is way out there. Right in the center of this road right now. I don't know what he is. Let's try to get a little closer. Okay, here it is. I'm down in like a little trench here in front. Sneak up on him and get some footage. Bad, but I'd rather go empty-handed. With a 4x3. Go find your girl. friend. Alright, well, I'm gonna have a bite to eat, and then we're heading back to the truck. Let's see if we can drum up here tonight. Well, I'm getting hungry, and this guy's not a shooter, so I got to get rolling here. I might be able to see her. She's about 30 yards in front of me. Not gonna shoot it though, it's just a pond. Got about 100 yards from the truck. So her butt end's sticking out there. I'm just gonna keep rolling. There she goes. Okay, hopefully there's more. That one's too little. This guy was bedded right beneath us. Not big enough. Well, that guy was bedded right underneath us, like 20 yards before I busted. I didn't see him before we went. I'm gonna try to sneak up around the corner and get a better look at him. He's a 2x3, 3x3 maybe. Not super big. Could easily have him. Keep looking. So here it is, my call. On my way home. Still legal light. He's at about 200 yards. It's got 3 points on one side and short little 2 on the other. Sorry, buddy. And he's about 400 yards from camp. See you later, buddy. Still hanging out.
So how did it go, Ted?
Well, ever since bad luck showed up on the third day, we hadn't seen a deer all day yesterday. Didn't cut very many tracks at all this morning. Saw, what, probably 7 or 8 whitetails just off the road. Started coming in. Shot this guy probably 400 yards where I got the first footage of the other buck. So I thought he might be him, but he not him. He's a lot better.
Who spotted it?
Colin spotted it.
Oh, beauts.